Hey, welcome to Comics Characters Chronology. This is the channel where we follow the appearance of various comics characters in chronological order. So, it's all in the title. I'm your host, Rhett, and let's get started today with the fifth appearance of the Fantastic Four from Fantastic Four number 5. Alright, this is cover dated July of 1962. We have a very menacing looking Doctor Doom overlooking the Fantastic Four here. I enjoyed the idea that someone would have a dial to control how much air is in a room. It's hilarious and somewhat nonsensical, but gotta have these things. Also, where exactly did Thing get this rock that he's holding on to from? It does not exactly look like a room that has rocks, so that's odd. Alright, and that cover is penciled by Jack Kirby, inked by Joe Sinnott, colors by Stan Goldberg, and our story today, Prisoners of Dr. Doom, is scripted by Stan Lee, penciled by Jack Kirby, inks by Joe Sinnott, colors by Stan Goldberg, and letters by Artie Simek. And you can find this story reprinted in the Marvel Masterworks, The Fantastic Four Volume 1, Fantastic Four Omnibus Volume 1, Fantastic Four Epic Collection Volume 1, and you can read it on Marvel Unlimited. Alright, it's time for a quick story summary. The Fantastic Four's headquarters is attacked by someone named Victor Von Doom, or Dr. Doom, who was actually a classmate of Reed Richards back in the day. However, Von Doom was expelled after an experiment went very wrong, and being someone who was interested in dark magics, those kind of things, he went off to explore those further after leaving university. Doom has the team so trapped that they have no choice but to hand over Sue as a hostage. Meanwhile, the other three are brought back to Von Doom's castle headquarters and are sent back to find Blackbeard's treasure chest. Apparently Doom has a time travel machine and sends them back there. Turns out that Thing himself actually is Blackbeard. I don't know how all that works, but there you go. So what they do is, instead of bringing back the treasure, which we later find out has magical powers, they fill the chest with chains and disperse the treasure among the men. Now, this means they fulfill their bargain of bringing back the treasure chest, just minus the treasure. Having been fooled, Doom attempts to kill these three when they return from their time-traveling jaunt. However, Sue manages to blow up Doom's computer, thus freeing them, and Johnny attempts to smoke Doom out of the castle. However, Doom is able to flee and escape, and I think we'll probably see him again. Alright, Reed, Johnny, and Ben here in pirate clothes. This is a good look, and it turns out, in comic book convenience, right as they land and realize they're going to need to disguise themselves to fit in with the locals, they happen to run across two men fighting over a stolen laundry bag of clothes. I don't know why they were stealing them. I don't know why they were fighting over them, but boy, it sure works out nicely for our story. Also, briefly in this issue, Ben, having been accepted by this crowd, doesn't actually want to return with the others. He hopes to stay and be accepted as Blackbeard the pirate. However, he sees the foolishness of this decision and does decide to return with the other two. Two other small moments to highlight here. First of all, Doom has his enemies as pieces on a chessboard. This is something you see a lot. Just a few episodes back we saw it with the Justice League, and I don't know, I always enjoy it. It's a funny trope. The second thing here is that Reed manages to hog-tie Ben. I don't know if that's a true representation of their capabilities or if Ben was taking it easy on him, but that seems curious. Alright, that's it for this issue, and next we'll be looking at DC's answer to the Fantastic Four, the Doom Patrol. We'll take a look at their third appearance from My Greatest Adventure number 82. So make sure you like, subscribe, do all those things, and make sure you catch that episode. I'll see you then.